Hey folks, my name is David Ross. Welcome to AI 3-Minute Master. As always, we're going to be learning a nifty teacher trick using ChatGPT or one of the other LLMs, your choice of course. First things first, in every single one of these lessons we're going to be accessing my prompt library, which is free and designed for teachers, K-12 and higher ed. The next screen you're going to see in the video is a QR code that links to the library or a URL. I want you to open that up and bookmark it because we're going to be using it today and from now on in everything we do. Today's lesson is on rubrics. So I'm in the prompt library. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm noticing that there's a ton of text here. I'm going to have it search for the word rubric, make it a speedy way to find it. I'm going to copy this prompt and paste it into an LLM. So let's try that. So I'm going to use ChatGPT. Again, you can use any version of ChatGPT or any of the other LLMs like Claude or Anthropic or Gemini. It really doesn't matter. They all work the same. So I'm going to paste the prompt there. Now, what you're going to notice is it says California History Social Science Standards because I taught in California and I taught social studies. You're going to substitute in your state and whatever subject you taught. I say 4-column rubrics, which is my favorite. That's what my students are used to. I taught 6th grade, so I put in 6th grade. The student product was an informational report, whatever the student product is, PowerPoint, website, whatever. You're going to put that information in there, substituting my words. And then the topic of the rubric, which was the development of irrigation in the ancient Middle East. Whatever your teaching topic is that's what you're going to put there. Let's see what it gives me back. Okay, I'm getting a report. And I've noticed that the lower levels of success begin on the left. That's not always the case. So if it gives you excellent on the left and you don't like that, in the next prompt you tell it to revise it. I'm also seeing point totals in there. Most of the time it'll include a 4-point scale. In this case I got lucky and it's got point totals because I've used these point totals in the past. If you want to revise it, you can. You can change the column headings. You can change the point totals, and you can change the domains. I particularly like these domains. The only thing I would do now is because I taught so many English language learners, I would want a Spanish version of this. So I would, in my next prompt, I would say, please make a Spanish version of this. That's it. Good luck with your rubrics.